Pandas groupby get filtered sum over total sum. I have the following data frame. And I would like for each group to know the sum of values where C equals true over the total sum of values. So for example, for group 1 we have 2. 2 plus 4. I have managed through some extensive searching to reach the following stage. But, as expected, I get 2 columns and I would like to get only the 1. My ideal result would be I can surely do some modification after the groupie and get what I want, but as I am new to Python I was wondering if I am missing something basic here.
You can divide by aggregate filtered rows with all rows and then convert series to one column data frame. Your solution is possible with change.add working with all columns to groupby.apply for return series, but if large data / many unique groups it should be slow. Solutions working nice also with only false group.
I believe you can use a division on groupby.transform with sum and assign using .assign after filtering so as to align on 8th index. If more than one true per group, use
You could use apply. Output.
If you want to continue